Yo guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you guys how to record on OBS Studio. Just OBS Studio. This one right here. So in one of my last videos I did Streamlabs OBS, which is where you stream, and now I'm doing OBS, which is where you would record YouTube videos or videos for anywhere. So as I said in the past videos, comment down below what videos you guys would want me to do next. But yeah, let's get right into the video. Yo guys, so now we are in OBS Studio full screen. So basically, over here it is pretty simple to set this up. So when you first get OBS Studio, once you're in, it will most likely be a full black screen. You won't see anything here where I'm literally moving my cursor. It'll just be black. And how you add like a webcam like I did, a display like I did, and how I'm speaking, how I'm hearing everything. So basically, it is really simple. It's way simpler than Streamlabs OBS. So if you found that easy, you'll find this really easy. So basically, I will be showing you how to add sources and sort your graphics out, because the first time you ever get OBS, it's gonna be pretty bad quality. Right now, my quality isn't the best because I don't have OBS Pro, so I can't put it to like 4K or the highest or whatever, but it's pretty fine for now. So basically, I'll be showing you how to use sources first. So basically, over here where it says sources, it should show all of these options. Can you see how it says stop recording because I'm recording on here? It shows all of these options. It shows my mic going up. I'm not hearing anything, so it doesn't say my audio output going up. So in sources, you look at sources and you see a plus at the bottom. It's called add. You click add and you'll see all of these options. So with these options, the first thing you want to add is display capture. Once you click on display capture, you'll see something like this. So once you see something like this, you click OK. I already have it, so I'm not going to go through that again. But when you click OK, when you're new to it, you click OK. You choose the display you want. It's pretty simple. Choose the display you want, display 1 or 2. And once you select it, it should show up here. Make sure it is right on here. Then that is the display capture done. Next thing you want to do is video capture. So you go plus. Once again, you'll go to video capture isn't even here. Oh wow, I really missed that. But you click video capture, you click OK, and once again I'm not going to click OK because when I do that it's going to reset this right here, what you're seeing. So when you click OK, you'll ask you like the settings like brightness and stuff. You just leave it as default. You just choose the webcam you're using. It should give you an option. So yeah, that's how you set up the video capture. Audio output and audio input. Basically, you click here and audio input. You click this, click OK, and you choose the input. So your mic, your headset mic, whatever. Same goes for output basically, because click plus here, you click output and OK. Once you click OK, you'll decide where you want it, either out loud speakers or on your headphones or anywhere like that. So now I'll be showing you how to sort out your graphics and all of that. So the first thing you want to do is click settings. Once you're in settings like this right now, you're gonna want to click output. Once on output, you can click recording. So when you're on recording, you choose your recording path where you want everything to go. I have it on my HDD on a new file I made called OBS, so I'll know where to transfer clips from. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna look down here, make rate control to CBR. It may already be CBR, but sometimes it's on VBR. It defaults on that, so make sure it's CBR. Then your bitrate needs to be 50,000. So basically, you put it to the maximum, and it'll probably go auto set to 50,000. Make sure it's the highest. It doesn't slow down at all. It just makes the graphics way better, even without slowing it down. Then you make preset as max quality. This also doesn't slow down. And profile as high. Keyframe internal as 2, GPU at 0, max B frames 2. So once all of this is right, you're pretty set for most of it. You can choose like in the encoder. Basically, you choose your NVIDIA or whatever graphics card you have. You choose your graphics card over your CPU. Make sure you choose the graphics card instead of CPU. Then let's go to video. So while I'm on recording, it won't really give me a option to change anything, but as you can see on my settings right now, it's pretty easy for you guys to see. Base canvas resolution, you just click on it. It should normally give me an option to click on it just because I'm recording an account, but you click on it and you choose 1920 by 1080. I would suggest this over 4K because either 4K is only for Prime, or if you do have Prime, I wouldn't suggest 4K unless you have a really good graphics card and a really good CPU. Otherwise, the FPS won't be so high. Common value FPS, I would suggest 60. If you put higher than 60 and you put 4K, it will not work at all, even if you have a really good PC. I would suggest either you do unlimited or like unlimited FPS, or you do 4K. So yeah, 60 FPS is the max limit for not having Prime, but if you do have Prime, you can put higher than that. As for the resolution, is the same. 1920 by 1080 is the max you can have for non-Prime, and with Prime you can have 4K. Hotkeys. Hotkeys are really important. I haven't set up any, but I will set up soon. These, as you can see, you'll probably know that they are important. As you can see, all of these. So this is really good because, for example, if you have a mic, like a actual mic, not a headset mic, you may need a mute and unmute button. This comes really in handy. These are just easy keys to make your life easier, basically. Because over here, say you have an actual mic with no mic or with no mute button on it. So when you want to mute yourself, and when a family member walks in, or if there's any noise happening, and don't want your stream or video to hear it. So instead of going and stopping recording, you could just mute your mic and carry on recording what you want to record. And this is for everything. So personally, I haven't set it up yet, as you can see, but when I do have the chance, I will, because I don't want it messing up with any of my other keybinds. If you haven't set up any other keybinds for any other apps, then you can go for it, choose straight from here. But I have a lot of keybinds on other apps just to open them and all of that, so I'll have to work around that. See, the main essential ones would be start recording, stop recording. You can just start it from the actual OBS. If you have two monitors, it's pretty easy, like me. I'll just swipe across the screen, as you can see, and I can just click stop recording. But if you don't have that, then this is the best option for you. Another one is when you pause recording. This is also pretty good because instead of stopping recording completely and colliding the clip, you can have one long clip. And then more obviously mute, unmute. If you want to do push to mute, push to talk, you can. And yeah, this is for everything: video capture device, mic, aux, desktop audio, and all of these. Advanced. So in advanced, you don't really need to put anything. You can, if your stream delay is below 20 seconds, is above 20 seconds, I mean, you should change it down to 20. I would recommend 20 and not higher and not lower than that, because if you go lower than 15 or lower than 20, it may not perform as well. Then your retry delay is 9 seconds and your maximum retries is 20. So yeah, you can set your hotkeys. So for example, this is actually pretty good for me. I may actually do this, but I may change to disable when main window is not in focus, because when I'm streaming, when I'm like doing other stuff, like just not streaming, when I click a key, it may just start recording, which wouldn't be really good. But if I have my app closed, it wouldn't do that, and I can use it for other apps, or I can click it and nothing bad will happen. So yeah, this is highly recommended also. So basically, in general, I personally like dark. It's in dark in default, but you can make it like that. I don't even know how to pronounce it. I'm not gonna even try, but I don't personally like this. The only reason I don't like it is because it looks kind of inverted. I think it is inverted. And let's try Acri. Yeah, this is not it. System, way too bright. That's actually hugely bright. So dark, just dark. You'll realize that this is the cleanest and this is the best of them all. Another thing for streaming is when you're over here, you can. I've linked my Twitch account. I haven't linked anywhere else. But you can connect your account. You can use the stream key, And when you want to record to a place direct, if you want to stream to a place like where it says start streaming right here, you rather use Streamlabs OBS. It's way better for streaming, and this for way better for recording. But if you are gonna stream on here, you should link your thing on any of these. You can, there are more options than just these. So basically, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and yeah, please comment down below any other tutorials I should do, anything you guys want. I will, if anything you guys will request, I will give you all. And any vlogs, any gaming videos, anything, just comment down below. Please subscribe, like, bye.